Johnson County Chem-Dry provides green certified, fast drying, kid safe, pet safe, carpet cleaning, as well as tile, grout, rug, and upholstery cleaning in Cleburne, Burleson, Joshua, and all of Johnson County, Texas. Our Healthy Home service, which includes carpet sanitizer and protectant, removes 98% of allergens from carpet and upholstery, while also removing 89% of airborne allergens, improving the quality of the air you breathe in your home or in your business. Johnson County Chem-Dry's Pet Urine Removal treatment removes 99.9% of pet odors and 99.2% of bacteria from pet urine deposits, leaving your carpets clean and healthy. The Carpet and Rug Institute is proud to recognize cleaning firms that use superior products and make quality service a top priority. Johnson County Chem-Dry has met and exceeded those expectations and is now certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute Seal of Approval program. Drier, cleaner, healthier. We are your healthy home provider. We clean for your health like no one else. Call Johnson County Chem-Dry today.